Good morning to everyone. It's warm wishes from A.K. Raman on behalf of A.K. Raman's community and A.K. Raman's Emotional Educational Academy, a learning channel to continuous for growing. Today, I want to talk about something that silently shapes our success, our happiness, and even our identity. That's nothing but habits. Here, my dear friends, habits are not small actions. They are repeated decisions that build our character. Every day, your habits are either taking you closer to your goals or pulling you away from them. You can experience in this action every day in your life. So in our channel, really appreciable everyone and likes to be recalled about your habits, and we are going to learn together how we have to transfer our habits from bad to good, or from old to new one, or unfavorable to favorable one. Here, whatever you may think, so it is the right time to shift our old habits to the new one. Okay, dear friends, let us go to the video. If you not subscribed, you kindly do this. On our learning channel and also with the notification, you can get all the notification then and there. We are common, yes we saw Sagana Bhavatu, Saga Viryam Karavavagi, Tejas Vina Vadida Mastu Ma with Vishavagi. Yes, the chanting says, let us come together, let us join together, let us learn together, let us grow together in the roof of A.K. Raman's Emotional Education Academy. Okay, dear friends, let us go to the details now. Let us go to the message now. Yes, friends, because habits are not small actions, they are repeated decisions that build our character. Every day, your habits are either taking you closer to your goals or pulling you away from them. You have to introspect yourself. Whether your habits is, as we said, is pulling down or it's make you elevate you. So the good news is anyone can transform habits at any age, Yes, it's very good news. Science says the brain can rewire itself. This is called neuroplasticity. Here we are going to learn about neuroplasticity, and with the help of this we are going to change our old habits to the new one. And today I am going to share how to transform bad habits into powerful, life-changing good habits. So before that, we are going to the transform our old habits to the new one. So what is habit transformation? Here let us see in a 1 minute explanation. All habits, whether it be good or bad, follow a simple pattern called the habit loop. In habit loop, there are three ways. The number one is a cue. It's nothing but a trigger. Number two, we are going to say that routine. That is nothing but the action. Number three is a reward. It's the more of feeling. So this is called, the altogether called is the habit loop. For example, here one is a cue I am giving, the boredom at 5 p.m. So we feel boredom at 5 p.m. it's cue. Then what is a routine? So in this boredom of time, we are habit routine eating junk food instead to get away from the boring. So what is a reward? It makes you the feeling comfort. Here you see that the cue is boredom at 5 p.m. The routine, what you are doing that eating junk food. The reward you are getting is the feeling comfort. Here, what is the key message? You see that you don't remove a bad habit, you replace the routine with a better one. It's very simple. This is the backbone of habit transformation. I think now you may understand about how to make the habit transformation. Now let us see how we are going to do that. Step 1. First of all, you identify the cue. For example, Ask yourself, when does this habit happen? If it is old, where am I? Who am I with? What emotions triggers me? Example, you scroll social media late at night. The cue, you lie on your bed, your emotion, just 5 minutes relaxation, and knowing the cue makes 50% of the change. It is a bad habit that scroll social media late at night. The cue is nothing but you lie on your bed. The emotion is just 5 minutes relaxation. You know it's bad habit, then how we are going to be transformation. Step 2, you have to understand the reward. For example, you ask yourself, what feeling am I getting from this habit? Are you feeling relaxed, distracted, or comforted? So most of the time, we are not addicted to the habit. We are addicted to the reward behind it. So instead of addicted to the habit, we are addicted to the reward. Once you know the reward, you can give yourself the same reward in a healthier way. We can change your reward. Step 3, replace the routine. This is the heart of the habit transformation. You are not fighting the habit. Instead, you are reprogramming it. For examples, instead of junk food, eat nuts or fruits. Instead of spending impulsively, write down your expenses. Instead of gossiping, express yourself through journaling. Like that, instead of angry reactions, take a 10-second pause. Instead of phone at night, read 2 pages of your book. So these are the replacement of the bad habits. Your brain still gets the same reward but through a better actions. Now let us step number 4, make the good habit easy. We don't fail because we lack discipline. We fail because the good habit is hard and the bad habit is easy. Because we are going to fail, it's not of our discipline. It's not of our lack of discipline. Here we failed because we are making the hard habits. Instead of the bad habit seems to be easy and good habit we are making to the hard. So make the good habit simple and easiest way. For example, keep fruits on the table. Keep phone in another room. Place workout clothes beside your bed. Keep a small notebooks for journaling. Then reduce friction. You see that small design changes create big behavior changes. Step number 5, consistency. Here, science says from 21 days to start a habit, 66 days to make it automatic. It was quoted by Dr. Philippa Lilly. That means for 2 months consistently, you just need to show up daily, not perfectly, just constantly. For 2 months, whether it may be the good or it may think it's good, and make it consistently, and very slowly we can progress. Even 2 minutes a day, small habits repeated over time become your identity. Here is a half-some story. Let me share a simple story in my own experience. My dear friend, that is called Kishore, he was a teacher. He was a passionate teacher also. He had a habit of scrolling Instagram every night. What started as 5 minutes became 1 hour. He began sleeping late, waking tired and feeling guilt in class. One day his student asked him, "Sir, how do you wake up early every day?" That question hit him. He realized he was not living like a role model as he wanted to be. So he decided to transform his habit. Then he discussed with me. Then I have given one better idea. So apart from that idea, then he is also introspect himself and he got the final decision to follow all these steps. So what are the steps he would follow and he cut out from the bad habits? Number 1, he followed. First of all, he identified the cue. What is a cue? He was lying on his bed at 10 p.m. Step 2, understand the reward. The reward is nothing but relaxation. Then replace the routine. He replaced the scrolling with a book and soft music. Step number 4, he make it easy. He kept the phone in another room and kept the book on his pillow. After 30 days, everything changed. He slept early, he woke up with fresh energy, he prepared lessons better, his students saw the changes, even myself astonished about his behavior. One of my colleagues asked, "Sir, what happened? You look fresh every day." And he replied boldly, "I did not remove a bad habit, just I transformed it." So this is the power of replacing, it's not erasing. So here, the common bad habits, the common good habits, a few simple habit transformation anyone can try. For example, bad habit, we can see why it works. It will be replaced with many changes. For example, nighttime phone, you replace with reading. Then junk food, you can replace with nuts and fruits. Then gossiping, you can go with a gratitude. Journaling, emotional release. For anger reaction, you can go for the 10 seconds break. Do impulsive. Then overspending habit, you can replace it. Yes, daily expenses log sheet, then creates awareness. These small shifts make you a big impact. So, final concluded, I am with the books what we referred it. Here, what I followed for this all this bad habit transformation, I would like to share the books which I like most for this habit transformation. Number one, The Power of Habit. It focused on the habit loop from atomic habits. Make it clear, make it attractive, make it easy, and make it satisfying. Then another book is so that the 7 habits of highly effective people. It is what from tiny habits. Start very small, then grow big. Then what are the keywords we are going to remember? We are going to recall. Number 1, habit loop. Number 2, cue, routine, reward. Number 3, replace and don't remove. Number 4, make it easy. Number 5, you make it 66 days rule. Number 6, you get the small actions. You make it big identity changes. Number 7 and final, consistency beats motivation. Okay, dear friends, now I will give you the call for action. So what you are going to do after listening this small video? You see that number 1, you write the cue. What are the old bad habits you are going to follow, you are going to suffer from that. Number 1, you write the cue. Number 2, identify the reward. Number 3, replace the routine. Number 4, you make your habit to be easy. Number 4, practice it for 66 days. Tell yourself every day, I transform my habits and my habits transform my life. Just visualize and repeat. And as I said, I transform my habit and my habits transforms my life. The small changes, it makes big identity. Every day, I am becoming a better version of myself. Because the truth is simple, your habits creates your future. I repeat, your habits create your future. Change your habits and you change your life. Change your habits and change your life.